Hi naturals, welcome to the channel. If you're coming across my video for the very first time and you click to watch, you are the realest MVP. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button before you leave. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and turn on the post notification. All these buttons that I'm talking about are right there on your interface. Kindly tap on each of them. Lastly, please ensure you watch this video to the end. Do not skip one bit, as all instructions will be stated towards the end of the video. In today's video, we will be making a DIY bald spot repair and maximum hair thickening breakage defense hairspray. I must apologize before I continue. I'm so sorry about the noise you're hearing in the background. That's as a result of my mic. It's been acting up lately and I don't know what the problem is. I will try to fix it after this video. Please, I'll try to be audible so you don't hear the noise. Please try to ignore that and listen to only my voice. While watching this video, you just might be wondering if there's anything you can do to grow your hair faster. Do any product help? What about medications or treatments? In this video, we will be answering your questions. Grab a well-sterilized bowl free of microorganisms. Drop a cinnamon stick into it. For this proportion, we are going to be using 1 cinnamon stick. Please, if you have cinnamon powder, go ahead and use it. If you've got cinnamon powder, go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of that. That's equivalent to a stick of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a condiment well known for its flavor, but did you know it can help treat certain hair issues too? Research shows that cinnamon can control hair loss and even potentially reduce the chances of balding. In this video, I'll be telling you the many benefits of cinnamon for hair care, like hair growth, hair loss, prevention, and improving hair quality. Keep watching to know more. Cinnamon is rich in nutrient composition, which can promote hair health. Research also shows that cinnamon can control hair loss and help prevent balding. I'm going overboard with this because it's our first time to use it on this channel. Let me know if you have used it in the comment section below. Their antioxidant and antimicrobial properties help prevent scalp infections. They improve hair length, density, and growth. They prevent damage and increases the anagen phase. They treat head lice. Cinnamon is a miracle cure for hair loss. They basically help to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair loss. You have to use it for a certain period to see results. They also help to reduce hair breakage and split ends. My next ingredient is dried hibiscus flowers. I'm going to be using about 3 flowers like so. Please take note that the more flowers you use, the more concentrated the tea will be and the more staining it will be. So if you don't want it to be more concentrated, reduce the flowers. You can use like 2 or just a flower. So I added about 3 flowers. Next, I added 500 ml worth of hot water into the bowl. This is to infuse our ingredients. I'm going to be steeping this for 12 whole hours. The more you steep this, the more potent this tea becomes. I'm going to stir that to combine all the ingredients using my stirring rod. You must not use stirring rod, guys. Just use anything to stir it. So I'll be covering that up with my foil paper. After 12 hours, here is my result. I uncovered the bowl and as you can see, the tea is more concentrated now. The reason why we steep for 12 hours is because we want to get all the benefits embedded in our cinnamon and hibiscus flower. They are both dried and steeping them for long will help get all their nutrients in the spray. As always, I will go ahead and sieve this to get my spray. For the sieving process, I'm going to be using a cheesecloth, a strainer, and a bowl to collect my hairspray. From what you can see in the video, you will notice that the cinnamon stick has become soft. It's now softer than it was before infusion. Please do not discard your cinnamon stick after first use. You can use it for 2 to 3 times before discarding. So I'll go ahead and rinse mine off and then sun dry it for next use. So after sieving, here is what I have in my bowl. I'll go ahead and transfer it into my applicator bottle. Applicator bottle helps with easy application. If you don't have applicator bottle like so, you can improvise. You can improvise by using your old body spray bottles, rinse it, wash it, and sterilize it properly, and use it as your applicator bottle. After prepping this, you can add preservative. That is, if you want to store this for more than 6 months. Secondly, if you don't have preservative, you can store this in the refrigerator for only 5 days. If you store this outside refrigerator, it will go rancid. It will definitely ferment and you won't like the effect on your hair. Do not store this outside refrigerator, but if you must store in refrigerator, make sure it doesn't exceed 5 days. Discard and make a fresh batch. So I will go ahead and use this to saturate my cornrows. I've been rocking cornrows for a while now. Most of you have been asking. That's my method of putting my hair away so that I don't touch it or style it often. This helps me to tuck and put my hair away for a period of time, kind of allowing my hair do its thing, and I tend to grow my hair better with cornrows. I often wear wigs with these cornrows. I basically use this spray as a strengthening treatment to moisturize my hair 2 to 3 times a week. I first spray this, kind of hydrating my hair, and then I follow up with a super light leave-in conditioner. If you've got fine hair like me, make sure to always use lightweight products. So after applying my leave-in conditioner, you're going to see the consistency as you keep on watching. This is the leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using, and that's the consistency. Very light. I love to use lightweight products on my hair because I've got fine hair. What that means is that my hair strands are fragile, they are lightweight, they easily break off. This spray helps to improve hair density. It also helps with balding. Any area that you have bald patches, make sure to concentrate this spray on there. Make sure to work that in and massage that area for results. The video on how I made this oil that I just used will be coming right after this video. Please stay tuned. Keep an eye out for that video. So whenever you're moisturizing your hair, do not forget your tips. They are the oldest part of your hair and they need more care. Like I already mentioned, you can use this spray 2 to 3 times a week to moisturize your hair. Do not overdo this. Do not use it every day. Secondly, all hair types can use this. Permed, relaxed, texturized, natural, all hair types can use this spray. This spray is perfect for all scalp infections, lice, scalp acne, dandruff, psoriasis, name it. You can't afford to miss this combo in your regimen. Cinnamon and hibiscus, they are truly amazing. I didn't mention benefits of hibiscus, but you already know I have a lot of videos on hibiscus, so that's why I decided not to talk about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched up to this point, I really do appreciate. Please stay safe and I'll see you soon.